Hello my friends, this is Atul Verma and today I am going to discuss with you a question based on slider crank mechanism. This question is very easy and doable, but you might be thinking why I am putting this question in front of you. Even this question is very easy. Why? Because there is a trick in this question which examiner may play with you in examination. So I want you all to know that trick so you do not mistake in examination. Now I read the question and after some time you will know what mistake you can make in examination. So here we go. In a slider crank mechanism, the stroke of the slider is 200 mm and obliquity ratio is 5. The crank rotates uniformly at 100 rpm clockwise. The total acceleration of the crank pin when it has turned through an angle of 45 degree from the top dead center is. So in this question you are supposed to find out the total acceleration. So many of you know the formula for finding the acceleration in slider crank mechanism. You know this formula, A is equals to r omega square cos theta plus cos 2 theta divided by n. So we all going to use this formula. All the information in this question is given to us and we can simply put these values in this formula and we can simply find out the acceleration in slider crank mechanism. So here we see that radius is also given in the form of stroke. Omega is also given. When n is given we can find out simply omega, and theta is also given, that is 45 degree. We can put all these values. N is also given, that is obliquity ratio is equals to 5, that is n. So we can simply put all these values in this formula. So what I was telling you, that there is a trick in this question which examiner may play with you and you are supposed to do that mistake in this question. So now I am going to tell you what mistake you can commit in this question. So here you can see this acceleration. If you use this formula in this question, then you are going to be wrong. Why? Because in this question, in this formula, this acceleration is for piston in slider crank mechanism. When you are asked to find out the acceleration of piston in slider crank mechanism, then you use this formula. But in this question, what has been asked to us, that is total acceleration of crank pin. So here is the key. In this question, the total acceleration of crank pin has been asked, but if we are using this formula, then we are wrong. Why? I have already told you that this formula is for piston, acceleration of piston. So we can't use this formula in this question because here acceleration of crank pin has been asked. So where is the crank pin in slider crank mechanism? This is this crank pin in slider crank mechanism, this. So acceleration of this we have to find out. So what is the acceleration of this crank pin? That is, suppose acceleration of for this is going to be A is equals to r omega square. Now I show you the answer for this question. Everything is given in this question, so I will not discuss in detail the solution of this question. I simply want to tell you the thing, main important thing. So here is the key. So this is acceleration in this question, which this is this solution for this question. A crank pin is equals to r omega square. So you can put the value of r and you can put the value of omega and you will simply get the answer for crank pin, acceleration of crank pin. Because why we are using this formula in this question? Because the acceleration of crank pin is simply acceleration due to centripetal force. So we are using this formula, not this formula. So remember this thing. This is very important thing, and student do mistake in this question, in this type of question. So be very careful and read the question very carefully and try to know what has been asked. Okay, so I hope you have got the thing. So thank you.